In this video, I'm going to show you how to snipe a meme coin on Axiom Trade. So the first thing you're going to have to do is, of course, create an Axiom Pro account, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now, from here, once you're on Axiom, if you want to basically snipe a meme coin, it's actually quite simple. First, you want to go to polls over here, and you want to make sure you have over here in the final stretch, you want to basically snipe while a coin is migrating. So this is the only way you can snipe on Axiom. Now, of course, this bonding right now is not 100% over here, and none of these coins showing up at this very moment is migrating at the current second. However, if you stare at this for some time, you'll see that eventually some coins will start migrating, okay? And once they are migrating, you will see over here there will be like two buttons showing up, and it will be like a loading bar, and it will show that it's migrating. And once that's happening and you basically hover over the coin, on top over here it's going to say migrating in green, just like it says bonding right now. And we'll see if we can get an example inside this video over here. Right now no coins are migrating, so I can't really show you how it looks like. But once that's migrating, basically you can just click over here, it will show a sniper icon, and then you want to click on that and you can snipe that coin. And of course you'll be able to set the setting for the snipe as well, and you can do this prior to coin being migrated. And if you do this and before that, of course, you have a better chance of sniping quickly. So the way you can do this is by clicking up here where you can see the snipe settings, and you can set the slippage, priority, and then bribe. And after you do this, you want to close this down and then just wait over here until you see a coin which starts migrating inside the final stretch. So you'll just have to wait, and once you see the icon, you can click on that and snipe the coin. But of course, always make sure you're sniping the coins that's actually worth, so the ones that are worth sniping. If they are not, of course, they can be scams and you can lose money. So it's up to you. You have to be very cautious while doing it. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.